Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Take action on your ideas. Always do your best. Doing your best means to take action. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 16, NASDAQ up 26, S&P's up 6.5, gold contract up $2.80, trading at $1,330 an ounce. Silver down 2 cents at $20.14 an ounce. Copper flat out here, trading out at $2.23 a pound. Light sweet crude off 68 cents at $45.27 a barrel. Bonds, you had the 10-year note up 4 ticks, 132 even. 30-year bond down 2 ticks, 171.19. Now both the 10 and the 30, folks, look like they're coming all the way back down to where they broke topside from on the 24th of June, which would be the 130 level on the 10-year and the 165 level on the 30. King dollar up 12 ticks, 96.57. King dollar rejected lower price once again. Bottom line looks like it wants to break topside. Euro. The euro is trading at $1.10, and the yen is at 106. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you got to have, folks? We have earnings kicking into gear right here, right now, meaning today. As soon as we finish this update, we'll get you some numbers. The SPY is trading at 216.40. It looks like it wants to finish up this ABC structure, which is the 218. That being said, this market, folks, it looks to me like whether it's next week, week and a half, we're going to be going south once again. Volume-wise out here was anemic, so you have a market that's pushing up here today. If we take a look at the Dow Industrials, what you're going to see, this is when it really cuts to the chase. And it's granted, Mondays and Fridays, slow days in the market. Bottom line, Dow's up $16 with what? 740 million shares. It should be doing about $1 billion up here. NYSE did 1.5 billion, which is shot volume in an incredible way. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here today. Rejected lower price, has lighter volume, and we'll see whether it can go topside. Bottom line, I do expect lower prices, but the way gold operated out here today, hey, it came back to 1323, closed out at 1329, and we'll see how it can handle about 1335. The bonds, as we said, if we take a look at the notes, what you have with the notes out here, notes are trading at 132. You did 790,000 contracts out here. That where they broke out from is 130.21. I do expect we're going to be down into those levels. Right after the close, Netflix, NFLX, that just came out with numbers. Netflix closed at $98.81. That now is trading at $84. Where Netflix is going, folks, is that Netflix, the last swing low out here was $84.81. It's going to take it apart with volume, and what you have is that Netflix also has a high volume low established out here on the 8th of February. It's going to go after that high volume low. The high of that day was $84, and that's right where we are right now. The low of that day was $79. We'll go over the numbers for you, but this is a replay of the last time it came out with numbers. Bottom line is that what you had is that the last time we went from 100 and, let's see, was it 100 and, yeah, last time you went from $110, you opened the following day at $94. Big Blue also coming out with numbers. Big Blue closed at $159.86. We'll see what kind of numbers. Oh, here are the numbers right here. So Big Blue, the estimate was $2.89. They made $2.95. Big Blue closed at $159. That is trading at $161. So there's not any juice underneath Big Blue. So what you do have there is that Big Blue will not be moving around the S&P, because what we do have is that, of course, inside the Dow, inside the S&P, that's a decent weighting structure. But if it's trading flat, which it is doing out here, it's going to be it's a no-low for the indices. We go up and we take a look at the King Dollar. So what do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar is refusing to back off these highs. The highs we're talking about with King Dollar is that from June 24th, that's when King Dollar went from $93.73 up to $96.70. Had nice volume on the way up, has been going sideways since then, has tried to sell down each and every time that it has gone down to lower price. It has had lighter volume. It's rejected lower price. So this is going to be a big move if, in fact, we break topside, because when you build this much cause, which we have, I suspect the 199 is game. And if 199 is game, that is going to put the aspect of the highs in of 100 happening. So there's going to be lots of action out here, folks, in the next few days as all these numbers come out. You go over, we're going to have Goldman Sachs, I believe, is tomorrow morning. Let's see, before the market tomorrow morning, Goldman Sachs is coming out. If we go over to the 30-year bond, we take a look at the 30-year bond. What you're looking at is this. 30-year bond out here is trading at a price point of 171.20. We did, 157,000 contracts out here today. Hasn't been able to hold price. We are right in the middle of the bar from the Brexit, which is the bottom of that bar was 165. Top of that bar was 173. Bottom line, I suspect what you're going to see is it's going to slowly and surely make its way down to the bottom of that bar. So there's a lot of divergences out here, meaning that, okay, what is going to basically have this S&P finish off the ABC structure in the way up? Well, we'll find out. It's not going to be Big Blue, though, because Big Blue had the shot at it, and Big Blue closed at 159.86. It's actually trading down 86 cents right now, and it's certainly going to be not going to be Netflix, because Netflix will have some selling pressure inside that NDX, Netflix, NFLX, as well as the NASDAQ Composite tomorrow. Netflix is trading at $84. That means it's going to go after that swing low, and we'll see whether they get the juice to take that swing low out and get out of that February low. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some more numbers for you. The Dow finished up 16. You had the NASDAQ up 26. S&P's up 7.5. We're going to be right back.